Hey guys, it's Full Lopez here, back with another video. Okay, so this is going to be Bittorrent price prediction for 2021 March. And guys, we are using token metrics, which is very awesome tool. Some people have commented that yeah, that's bullshit, the tool is bullshit. But let me show you motherfuckers how fucking good this tool is. Okay, so we are going to do Bittorrent price prediction for 2021 March, but just for experimentum sake, that I'm going to show you like why I think that this tool is very freaking awesome. Okay, so Bittorrent is it's a very popular cryptocurrency because in my opinion, because the low price is very good for beginners. I don't know why live coin watch isn't working for me today, but so Bittorrent is very good, very attractive for new investors. Okay, so like you can see, it's very cheap, so you can get a lot of Bittorrent for very cheap. Okay, and people who buy it thinks that like if they buy it a lot and it costs $1, they can make easy money. But markets don't work that way. Markets are what currently the markets are looking at, and people are looking at is fundamentals and technology. What kind of problem does the cryptocurrency solve? Now, I just want to point this out real quick that this tool, the creators of this tool, Token Metrics, you can check it out, link in description if you want. Very highly recommend you do. But what they do is they get a lot of different data points from the past, and they use that to do predictions, um, um, to future project that past movement in the future. But that's not the only thing that this tool does, and that's not the best thing that I found in this tool. Like you can see here, it has predicted pretty freaking good price prediction. So here's predicted price, and this is the actual price. Okay, and like you can see, it's pretty accurate. Now the better thing about this tool is that when I go to fundamentals, it shows the fundamentals of the coin. Okay, you have to understand it. So here, for example, you can see here scarcity, not the scarcest; market standing, not the best; development, not the best; liquidity, not the best; marketing, not the best; reputation, not the best; team, very good; security, not the best. So it gets 45 points. Okay, I come to this page soon, but I just want to quickly show you. Then the technology part for Bittorrent, not the best; innovation, not the most innovative; architecture, not the most best; code quality, 7 out of 5; 15, not the best code, because when it comes to blockchain and cryptocurrencies, the code is law. Okay, so code has to be perfect. Mainnet, very good; usability, not the best; team, not the best. Okay, so that being said, the technology and fundamental parts are not the best currently looking for Bittorrent. Okay, but the technical analysis point, TA, indicators that it could go still up. It could still go up, even though the technical side is not the perfect. Just because I've said this in many videos, that we are in speculative bull market. Projects without real use case still pump, and currently Bittorrent doesn't have a massive use case, and it's still lacking in some points. So either if it's going to pump, if the Bitcoin is going to rise, but I think that's it. But let me show you what I mean by this tool, because those people who talk a lot of shit, they like to run their mouths. When it comes to showing like results, they can't show anything. So let me show you results that I have got using this tool. So look here. So here's, for example, Banker. When I go to look Banker, the fundamentals 76%, very good. I always try to get at least at 80%. But when you compare this to Bitrue, you can already see it's miles ahead. Okay, and then you will look at the technology. Look at this, 89 fucking percent, guys. 89%. Look at your technology, 45. So you can already see massive differences between these two. And you can come here and check out all the data here, and I will show you in a second, but I just want to show you. So currently Bittorrent is looking at this price, but BNT, when I was buying BNT was like $4. Okay, it's now almost $8, and in my opinion, Banker is just going to rise just because it's the technology and the whole system in behind it. It's very good, because if it's valuable, people are going to use it, and if people are going to use it, the price will increase. Okay, I hope that this makes sense, because there are so many people like speculating on these coins without actually knowing. This tool will show you very goodly, very accurately the fundamentals and the technology. Okay, I don't care about the price. The tool makes price prediction, but it's very hard to make price prediction on these markets. Like if you think about it, even though if you use past data, it's very hard. It's impossible. But if you just look at the fundamentals, look at the code quality, look at how the project is run, who is running it, what the project does. You can see it all here. For example, here Bittorrent, when you come here and look at the fundamentals here, let's read here. So here's a good summary always. Bittorrent dates back to 2001 and precedes blockchain and crypto assets. The Bittorrent protocol works through collaborations among users. However, as of now, there was no incentive for seeders to share their file. It was all on a volunteer basis. Therefore, there used to be problems regarding file downloads, as hosts used to stop sharing or switch off their machine. BTT tokens used to incentivize seeders so that they don't stop sharing until the file is completely downloaded. Tron brought both Bittorrent and aims to put it on the blockchain. The acquisition begs the question, why is there need for a new token? It is clearly why the same couldn't be done with TRX. That aside, there are other problems with Bittorrent. Justinson is known to make promises he wouldn't be able to keep. Usage of DPOs makes it highly centralized, and there is a little usage. Look at here, it's all here, it's all fucking here. The research is all fucking here. I don't know what, like I know I'm not the best speaker at English. Like English is not my native language, but I'm not fucking stupid, guys. I'm not fucking stupid. Okay, so I wouldn't be using this tool if it was bullshit. Look at the tool is like, people are fucking stupid. People who survived started using tools, for example, creating tools for create fire, or fucking using axes and shit, and throwing rocks. So those who couldn't do it fucking died, man. So you have to get on these tools if you want to get results. That's just my whole thesis here, because a lot of people get left. Look, guys, a lot of people will be left behind just because they can't innovate fast enough. Cryptocurrency markets, if you go look at the markets, the technology changes all the time. It's very hard to keep up with all the projects. But finally we have a tool that I can trust, that we can trust. And of course, you don't want to blindly trust to everybody and everything. Of course, these are humans who are doing this behind this tool. But I trust that these humans have some kind of moral, that they are not pushing bullshit on this, okay? And I read this and I'm like, this is very interesting. Let me search more. And then I start searching more. Then it's becoming my research. Do your own research. Don't just blindly trust the machine here. But it's very good to get started. That's what I'm saying here. Because I got very, very angry. I'm not going to say, because some people just say that when you swallow, I get disgusted, or I'm not good at speaking English, or I'm not helping anybody. Who the fuck cares what you think, guys? Or not everybody, of course, but I hate people come to my channel and talk negative shit. I know that some people are negative because they feel bad, but I don't want, because we are creating a community here. We are here to make money, fucking money. We are not here to bitch around anything. And if you want to make money in these markets, I believe that you have to be smart as a tech. You have to be, and this tool has helped me tremendously. Look at here, it helps me to get the fucking clarity, because there's so numbers on the free. If you go here, it's all numbers. It's getting to your fucking brain, guys. But if you come here, you can look at it. Fundamental score 76 on BNT, technology 89. Then you go, wow, what is this project? I need to learn more. Then you go to the rabbit hole of learning the protocol. Okay, and after they're doing your own research, after that you should, and that's the only point in my opinion, that people should invest. After doing their own research, not going to Twitter and like listening to other people, because there's so many stupid people. Listen to me, there's so many stupid people, and bull markets are happen because we get more liquidity and we get more money for these projects to become better. If you think about these projects, they are dumping their coins because they will get bigger war chests, they will get more money, and then they can build better businesses, okay? So it's a cycle, it's a bear and bull market cycle. It's not fucking science, it's not rocket science here, okay? So I want to get that here, and I know that some people hate this video, I don't give a fuck, because you know what, I just don't want to please everybody. But if you think that this is smart, use this tool, and if you think that you can find value using this tool, I highly recommend you to test it. Okay, you can find the link in the description, 10% off if you want to use it. And nobody's talking about this. I believe that some people who are using this, but they don't want to reveal this just because it's so good, because it's just so good. Okay, and that being said, this was a kind of a rant video, but I was very angry when people started, posting negative comments. I don't know why I get so angry. I'm not getting angry that I don't care that people hate on me. I just get angry because the school system has failed us so miserably. Because if people are like, the things that I'm saying here, I don't know why people don't fucking get it. Like, I don't know why people don't get it. But yeah, I just want to say that out here. And now for the Bittorrent videos. I don't know what it's about Bittorrent videos. Every time I create a Bittorrent video, I just started out rambling about random stuff. But anyway, I think that is very important. So Bittorrent here, the price prediction, the whole point of this video, let's get back to it. I think that even though you can now see clearly the fundamentals, the technology is not the best. I know that you guys agree deep down in your soul, you know it, because if you have researched Bittorrent, there, like it said, what's the real point of the coin, like what's happening here? Not the best, but it's still bull market. Like you can see here, everything is currently green. So I don't like, it could still go up. I believe that if more people be drawn into this crypto space, let me show you. If you go to the start looking at the bull run here and look at the Bitcoin cycles, and we are currently somewhere like here. Okay, I think that there's massive, just absolutely massive bull market coming. Like the bull market is running and we are somewhere here. Okay, I believe so, because at first I was like, yeah, this is going to be end of the bull market when we hit the top at $58,000, something like that. But then I just tried to eliminate that thought and try to get new information, just not to fall in love with my ideas. And now I'm pretty sure that, because so many smart people are saying it, and not just saying it, but they're backing it with data. Okay, same with this. It's backed with data. If you look at Bitcoin halvings and how the world is now, where the world is going, it's pretty damn clear that there's going to be a huge, massive spike coming ahead. So that being said, I think Bitcoin and Bittorrent, because Bitcoin just drags everything. When Bitcoin rises, everything rises. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So yeah, I really think that Bittorrent has good chance to even more to like 1 cent. Like, why not? If there's going to be a huge bull run, Bittorrent will go to 1 cent. But that's just hype. Okay, that is just hype. There's no like massive value and technology behind it. There's some, but not massive, because you have to remember, even though if you love Bittorrent, it's a freaking capitalistic world. Okay, capitalistic world. And what that means, it's competition. It's just competition all the way to the bank competition. So if you want to stay ahead of the competition, you go and check out this tool. Okay, everything I say is not financial advice. It's just my opinion that I want to share, and that I want to document in these YouTube videos. And yeah, that being said, my Bittorrent price prediction for March, if the bull run just keeps going, I think that it can go up. If Bitcoin goes up, Bittorrent goes very a lot up a lot. But guys, if you really like think about it, what would be required for Bittorrent to, for example, hit $1? There had to be massive news, just absolutely massive news. Okay, and the massive use case. Okay, and after that, I believe that it could go to $1, but there's like none. The technology and fundamentals are not there. So currently, I think that we are just riding the hype. And after the hype dies down, if there is not value, if people aren't using it, it will die down. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so I have not looked in the Bittorrent very in deeply. I have not drink from the fountain of wealth and fountain of understanding on Bittorrent, but I've been searching a lot of different cryptocurrencies, and you have to understand also opportunity cost. So every time you are doing something, it's that time is taken away from doing something else. Okay, So I hope that you understand that. So that's also very important. This was a very long video. It seems 15 minutes. Holy moly. This was very different than the last ones, but I just wanted to create this video because some of you might find value in this video. My price prediction for Bittorrent is going to be, I think that we could see like 0.02 in March if Bitcoin keeps going up. But there's like, you have to understand, there's not much driving the price up besides hype. And if the hype continues, like some black swan event comes, that like Elon Musk starts hyping BitTorrent, and then it will rise, that could happen. But however, that's just, I think that that's gambling, and I'm not here to gamble, I'm here to invest. So currently I don't own any BitTorrent. If you own, it's your decision. This is not my this is not investment advice. This is just my video about my opinion. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos.